Atidap, what if my IELTS is academic and then my entry is new pathway, yung HCCP? So, hindi po siya pwede. It's because academic IELTS po, that is the test format for intended for those test takers who are wishing to, halimbawa, mag-study here in Canada. Those are undergraduate or postgraduate levels, yung gustong dito ba, pumasok. So, study permits holder sila. Yun yung mga academic IELTS, yun yung IELTS nila. But for us, if as a worker, if new pathway ka, so dapat ang IELTS mo is general training. Because general training sila yung yung IELTS na para sa mga nagpaplanong mag-migrate sa mga English speaking country. Halimbawa in Canada, US, UK, Australia. So yun yung dapat na IELTS for the workers na mga ganun na gustong pumasok sa mga English-speaking country. General training. But if your intended, imong entry is for study permit, so academic IELTS po dapat ang kinuha mo. So yun yung dalawang format ng IELTS. Academic and general training formats.